So a little story, when I was 16, 17 years old, I had a 72 Chevy and a 78 Firebird, and I really wanted to be in the local car club. He told me I wasn't allowed to be there because my cars weren't hot rods, they were too new. So I've always personally loved quirky different vehicles, and I don't care what you got. If you are passionate about your car and it's your little hot rod, that's what it is. I'm a big fan of the quirky stuff, but I really think it's cool, and I would even class this one as old iron. So this is a 1984 Saab a friend of mine owns, and he brought it to me to just check out and see what I thought of it. He just picked it up, I'm not sure how long ago, but not a whole long time ago. And most of the body is original paint. He did some touch-up work to it, but this thing is just in incredible shape. Yeah, like definitely cool. And 84, it's the old iron, and he likes quirky cars. He's got lots of cars, lots of really cool stuff that everyone else would think is cool, but this is cool in its own. It's yeah, it's just really mint. Like, it is in mint shape. The odometer has got, like, it's under, well, it's a 127 kilometers on it, 127,000 kilometers on it. But the interior, I mean, she's just really a nice car, beautiful shape. And yeah, it's just quirky, it's cool. So it's a 1984 Saab 900, and she's just a little putt-putt, but cool little putt-putt. This is where hot rodders get the idea of making a crazy hood. Anyways, so she runs beautifully, chickadee-boo. Just look at that. It's just in crazy nice shape for how old it is. And yeah, it's just cool. I mean, if people would just, cruise around in these, I don't know what gas mileage it gets, but I'm pretty sure it'd be cool. But instead of throwing out your old cars, I don't know. Let me know what you think. She's cool.